A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I welcome to all of the biology students to my YouTube channel Biology with Muhammad Abid Malik. So we are going forward to start today's lesson. Today's lesson is based on scientific method, the steps involved in the scientific method. Our objectives of today is very much clear. We just try to understand about the steps involved in the scientific method. Now we are going to start our lesson. First of all, we start with the introduction. As you are well aware, in biology, new things are being discovered and long-held theories are being modified or replaced with better ones. As more data or knowledge is accumulated, this happens when biologists recognizes some biological problem and go for its solution. When biologists go for its solution, it follows these following steps. These steps are given here. First of all, recognition of biological problem. Second, observation. Thirdly, hypothesis formulation. Fourthly, deduction. Then experimentation. Summarization of results. And in the end, reporting of the results are the steps involved in the scientific method. First of all, we try to see and observe and understand about the recognition of the biological problem. A biological problem is a question related to living organism that is either asked by someone or comes in biologist's mind by himself. Simple say a question arises by someone or in the mind of biologist by himself, that is simply termed as biological problem, and that is the first step in the scientific method. Secondly, that is the really first step to rectify, to eliminate the biological problem, that is the observation. As the first step in solving a biological problem, biologist recalls her previous observations or makes new ones. Observations are made with 5 senses of vision, hearing, smell, taste and touch. These are the 5 senses which gives observations to a biologist. Kinds of observation, there are 2 kinds of observations. One is a qualitative observation and second is a quantitative. We try to understand about the qualitative and quantitative through comparative study. In qualitative observation, we say that the freezing point of water is colder than the boiling point. In quantitative observation, the freezing point of water is 0 degree centigrade and boiling point is 100 degrees centigrade. Secondly, second point, in qualitative observation, a liter of water is higher than a liter of ethanol. On the quantitative observation base, a liter of water weighs 1000 grams and a liter of ethanol weighs 789 grams. That is the comparative analysis between the qualitative and quantitative observations. Other sources of observations are also be there, that is the reading of some other person's work, studying what others have done in the past. That are the other sources of observations. Formulation of hypothesis, biologist organizes his or her observation into data form and construct a statement that may prove to be the answer of biological problem under study. So we simply say that what's a hypothesis? Hypothesis is the tentative explanation of observation. Hypothesis is the tentative explanation of the observation. Some of the characteristics of hypothesis, that there is given only 5 characteristics of hypothesis, of a good hypothesis. It should be a general statement first. Secondly, it should be a tentative idea. Third, it should agree with available observations. Fourth, it should be kept as simple as possible. In the last, it should be testable and potentially falsifiable. So we say that if we make the hypothesis just on the base of just correction, so it becomes impossible to start a work on this. So it should be potentially falsifiable. Next, we go forward towards the deductions. Biologists draw deductions from hypothesis Deductions, basically, if we are going to define deductions, are the logical consequences of hypothesis. Little bit explanation about deduction. If a particular hypothesis is true, then one should expect a certain result. This involves the use of if then logic. Now we are going, when we have to conclude our results, we make deductions, then we go ahead for experimentation to check the hypothesis is correct or false. So the most basic step of biological method is experimentation. Biologists perform experiment to see if hypotheses are true or not. The deductions which are drawn from hypotheses are subjected to rigorous testing. And now, whenever we are going to experimentation, we make two groups. One is the control group, and second is the experimental group. In the experiment, two groups we considered. First one, that is the control group, is the group that does not receive variables in the experiment. And secondly, experimental group is the group with which we are conducting an experiment. Results of experimentation. Biologist learns which hypothesis is correct, the incorrect hypotheses are rejected, and the one which proves correct is accepted. Summarization of results. We summarize the results. Biologists gather actual quantitative data from experiments. Data for each of the group are then averaged and compared statistically. To draw conclusions, biologists also use statistical analysis. Reporting of the results, of course, that is a big step to introduce your work. Publishing of findings in scientific journals and books like Nature, like Scientific, like other journals in which we publish our paper. Talks at international as well as international meetings and in seminars. It allows other people to verify the results or apply the knowledge to solve other problems. Now we are going to our last segment, that is regarding evaluation. Describe the characteristic of hypothesis. If you understand about the characteristic of hypothesis, please put in the comments. Second question, differentiate between qualitative and quantitative observation. If you got, then put it into the comments. Third, do you know about deductions? Question 4, define control group. Question 5, explain about biological problem with example. Question 6, describe about the ways of observations. And in the last, I am really thankful to you to listen me. If you feel that the lesson is good, the presentation is good, the video is good, so recommend your first of all you subscribe my channel and then recommend to your friends. Hopefully see you in the next lesson, next day we will see you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.